If you're considering prior learning tax automation for your sales tax needs, there are 12 things you need to know before making your purchase. This software has a lot to offer, but is it the right choice compared to competitors like Avalara or TaxJar? Let's dive into what you should consider. First, prior learning tax automation promises accuracy in calculating sales tax, which is crucial for staying compliant with ever-changing tax regulations. However, its coverage may not be as comprehensive as some competitors. Unlike Avalara, which offers global tax automation, prior learning focuses more on US-based tax regulations. If you need international support, that might be a deal breaker. Next thing to consider is the integration. Prior learning integrates well with popular accounting software, such as QuickBooks and Xero, making it easy to incorporate into your existing workflow. But when compared to TaxJar, which offers seamless integration with many e-commerce platforms like Shopify, prior learning's integrations can feel a bit more limited. The third thing is their user interface. While not the most advanced, prior learning's interface is relatively easy to navigate. However, if you're looking for a more modern, intuitive design, platforms like Avalara could be a better choice. The latter offers more user-friendly, visually appealing interfaces for complex tax scenarios. The fourth thing is reporting. Prior learning offers a solid set of reporting features, but again, it's not as robust as what you'll find with other competitors. TaxJar excels in providing real-time reports and clear breakdowns, which is vital for businesses that need to keep track of their taxes frequently. Next up, pricing. Prior learning offers competitive pricing with a more affordable option compared to Avalara. But if you need extensive features or complex tax rules, you might find Avalara's pricing to be a better fit for larger businesses with high volume sales. The sixth thing is customer support. Prior learning offers decent support, but it's not available 24/7 like Avalara or TaxJar. If you're in need of immediate help at odd hours, you might find other options more responsive. Seventh, consider the customization options. Prior learning offers basic customization for your tax needs, but it lacks the flexibility you get with some competitors. Avalara, for example, offers deeper customization to meet the specific needs of businesses operating in multiple industries. The eighth thing is ease of setup. Many users report that prior learning's onboarding process is straightforward, but it may require some manual work when compared to the fully automated setup options of TaxJar. If you're looking for a hands-off experience, you might find TaxJar a better option. Next thing to consider is scalability. Prior learning works well for small to medium-sized businesses, but might not be the best choice as your business grows. Larger enterprises often benefit more from Avalara's advanced tools, which are built to scale with your business needs. The 10th thing is tax jurisdiction support. Prior learning covers most states, but its coverage isn't as extensive as Avalara, which supports tax jurisdictions in over 100 countries. This can be an issue if you're planning to expand internationally. Another point is tax compliance. While prior learning does a good job of keeping you compliant, Avalara is known for its more up-to-date and thorough compliance monitoring, ensuring your business is always on top of the latest tax laws. Next, let's talk about updates. Prior learning does offer regular updates, but they're not as frequent or as comprehensive as those of TaxJar. If staying ahead of changing tax laws is crucial for you, TaxJar might offer the more dependable solution. Lastly, consider the trial period. Prior learning offers a demo, but it doesn't allow you to fully experience the software. For hands-on testing, TaxJar provides a better opportunity for you to try their service before committing. In conclusion, prior learning tax automation is a solid option for US-based businesses with straightforward needs, but it may not be the best fit for larger, international, or high-volume businesses. If you're looking for a more comprehensive and flexible solution, we recommend checking out our preferred option, which you can try for free.